The good news is you can locate every profession trainer in the same place in this city, and I will show you in this guide where to locate the tailoring profession trainer. If you are a mage or a warlock, this profession will help you a lot as you can craft all the items you'll need for cloth in this game. And why can I fly in this city? Flying is not allowed. Okay, I'm not putting any more question. I'm just going to teach you. Okay, finally they take me down with that. So just get yourself in the west part of Dalaran City, and right inside this building you can find the trainers. You can find some supplies from here, and this is also a supply vendor. But where is... oh, this is the guy, the Grandmaster Tailoring trainer. Yes. And yeah, and here is the Grandmaster Tailor. I will show you on the map also where we are right now, as I told you, in the north part of the Dalaran City. The 1, 2, 3, the third building on the from the left is the building where you can locate this trainer. Now, if I help you, don't forget to smash the like button and have a wonderful day.